Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are continuing our previous lesson isometric to orthographic projection. We draw the front view, top view and left side view of the following object. This is a isometric object. Actually it is a doorstep. Here we see from this side arrow is an important matter. Arrow indicates we take front view in the direction of the arrow. This is front view. From top side we take top view. From left side we take left hand view. Okay. Now we start front view of the doorstep. Here length is 100 millimeter. This is 100 millimeter. This is 50 millimeter. Height is 50. Width is 75. This is also 75. Now it is 50. Now this doorstep length of this 25. This is also 25. This is also 25. And height of the rise, this length, this height is 15 and lower rise height of the step is 15. Middle step is 20. Middle step is 20. 50 minus 15 plus 15, 20. This height is 20. First we draw the front view. Front view. First we draw this rectangle. We see this rectangle. This rectangle is 100. This is 50. First we draw. This is 100. This is 50. Vertical line is 50. Okay. Now this height is 15 millimeter. This height is 15 millimeter and this length is total length. This is 100. This is 100 minus 25. This length is 75. So this height is 15. This height is 15. We draw a line. This is 75. Now draw the vertical line. Okay. Now this length is also 15. This length is also 15. This length is 20. So this length This is 15, this is 15. This length is 15. Okay. This is 15, this is 20, this is 15. Okay. This is the front view of the isometric doorstep. Okay. Now we draw top view. We see from top of the isometric view. We draw the projection line. Projection line. Draw the projection line from upper side. Draw the projection line. Draw the projection line. Okay. This is front view. We draw now top view. We take a distance from front view to top view 20 to 25. We take a distance. This is 20 to 25. Okay. Now top view, this height is 100. This height is 100. Now this width is 75. So we draw a parallel line 75. So we draw a parallel line 75. Parallel line 75. Parallel line 75. Okay. We erase this portion. This projection line not necessary. Now top view, this is 25. This is 25. This is 25. This is 25. This length is 75. This is we mark 2 point. This is 25. This is 25. Okay. Now we draw the parallel line up to this point. Draw the parallel line up to this line. There is no line. So final top view will be, this is dark, this continuous thick line. This is the top view. Now we draw the left hand view. Okay. Here we know left hand view is placed on right side. There is no space. So we can draw the right hand view. This is left hand view. LHV left hand view. This is RHV right hand view. If we take right hand view, there is also a rectangle. This is 25. This is 75. We change our problem. Right hand view. Okay. Now we see from right side. We see from right side. Draw the projection line. 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 Now the distance between front view and top view we take 20 to 25 millimeter. We also take distance between front view and right hand view. Right hand view, in left side, in first angle projection, left side right hand view. This distance is also take 20 to 25. 20 to 25. Okay. This length, if we see from right hand side, this length will be 75. So we draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line. So this is 75. We erase this portion. We erase this portion. Now we see from back side. We see from back side. This is 25. This is 25. Then draw the vertical line. Again this is 25. Then draw the vertical line. But we are not take the left hand side view. We take the right hand side view. We take the right hand side view. So this will be hidden. This will be hidden. So our final view. This is hidden line. This is hidden line. This is hidden line. Okay. Now we put the dimension. Now we put the dimension. This is front view. This length is 100 millimeter. This is 100 millimeter. Height is 50 millimeter. So this is 50 millimeter. In top view this is 100 millimeter. This is 75 millimeter. So this is 75 millimeter. This is 75. Okay. Now in front view, this is 15, this is 20, this is 15. So we only mark this is this is 15, this is also 15, this is 50, this is 15, 15, 30, this is 20. Okay. Now this length, this length, this length are 25. This length, this length, this is 25, this is 25, this is 25. Okay, dimension is complete. Now we write the text. This is the front view. Front view text height 3 to 4 millimeter. This is top view. In left side of the elevation, in first angle projection, right hand view. So it is front view. We see from this arrow. It is top view. And right hand view, we see from this side, right hand side. This is right hand view. This is dotted hidden line, because in this portion, if we see in this portion, so this will be hidden. Okay. Our drawing is complete. It is clear, my student. Thank you.